The Internet connected computers. Quant connects blockchains. Remember when systems couldn't talk to each other? That's where blockchain is today. Powerful but isolated islands of technology. London-based Quant network is changing that with Overledger, the world's first blockchain operating system designed for true interoperability. Imagine being able to build applications that work across any blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever comes next. That's Overledger. It's not limited to any single vendor or technology, giving you the freedom to choose what works best. Quant is fulfilling the original vision of the Internet by creating an open, trusted network where people, machines, and data operate securely. While others are building walls, Quant is building bridges, unlocking and distributing value across current and future blockchains. This isn't just an upgrade to blockchain technology. It's a revolution in how we connect our digital world.